Are you looking for durable and comfortable compression socks? I'm Gina with WTI, and my 70 something mother has been wearing these ones that we got from Absolute Support. The number one thing that sticks out to my mom about these are that there are no panels of fabric, and she really prefers the way that looks, especially when she's wearing it with a skirt or a dress. She also really likes the way that they feel. Even though they give her good compression and support, they're not constricting and they don't leave huge marks on her skin like other brands do. My mom is 5'8" and she wears a size 8.5 inch shoe. Now, I'm not going to give you her weight because a lady never tells that, but I will tell you that she got the size medium and she feels that these fit very well. Since it was recommended to my mother from her provider that she wear compression socks, she's so happy to have these. She feels that they look really nice. She got the nude color, which goes with a lot of different things, and they fit well under trousers also. Mom and I think you're going to love these compression socks, and that's our point of view.